10 Best Ways to Make Money with Your New Blog. Making money with your blog can be tricky, but is not complicated at all. The most important thing is to get quality traffic, which actually will solve your money issues faster. Number 1. Use ads on your blog. There are many people out there who will advise you not to use ads. But the thing is, there are far too many super successful blogs that have enabled ads on their blog. Actually, having ads on your blog is the first step to monetizing. It is the easiest and most passive way to generate income as a beginner. Number 2. Native advertising. Native ads are different from usual ads as they don't look like ads. They look like part of the editorial flow of the blog page. Native ads are much better than display ads as consumers are 53% more likely to look at them. The click-through rate of native ads is 18% better than display ads, and users are more likely to engage with them. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to monetize your blog, even if your traffic is very low. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product or service through your special affiliate links, and whenever someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Number 4. Direct advertisements. Your website has a lot of slots that are usually used for ads. But if you sacrifice a couple of slots and use them for direct advertisements, then you can make a good income. How you can advertise with direct advertisements? You can allocate banner ads above the fold in the sidebar of your blog and below the fold banner ads. Advertisers will buy those slots every month, and you can even offer a discount if they agree to run the ads for several months. Number 5. Paid reviews or sponsored posts. Sponsored posts or paid reviews are articles that a blogger is paid to publish by companies and brands that are related to the blogger's niche. It's a great way to boost your monthly income. You can earn anywhere between $100 up to $1,000 per review. Number 6. Sell websites. If you know how to build a website, then you are ahead of almost most people on this planet. This is a unique knowledge that can help you make a lot of income. Many business owners are searching for websites that are related to their niche. They actually don't have the time to build a website from scratch and wait for 1 to 2 years till the website starts to get traction from Google. This is where you can flip websites and make a huge income instantly. Usually, the sale for a website is around 30 to 40 times the monthly revenue. Number 7. Create a members-only area. I am sure you must have come across blogs that have a members-only area. This is another great way to monetize your content. Your member-only area can contain in-depth blog posts, downloads, audio content, video, and more. In your member-only area, you can share all your secrets about your niche. Number 8. Create a private forum. If you don't want to integrate a membership section on your blog, then the other option is to create a private membership forum. Many people love private forums as they can get access to one-on-one advice from the owner. It's a great way to interact with your audience and help them directly. Number 9. Sell ebooks. Selling your own ebook is another way to make money with your blog. The awesome thing about ebook is that it doesn't take long to write. Within 1 week, you can create a simple ebook and charge anywhere between $10 to $15 for that ebook. Number 10. Sell online courses. Selling online courses has been the best revenue model for many entrepreneurs as they can charge a much higher price for their expertise. When you are creating a course, you should add additional materials like downloads, slides, videos, checklists, templates, etc. If you enjoyed this video, share them with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.